Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to mute live video during calls on Discord using your Android device. This updated method will keep your conversations private and focused. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have the Discord app installed on your Android device. Once you're ready, go ahead and open the app. It's that familiar purple icon that you probably have on your home screen. Next, you'll want to navigate to the conversation you want to join. Simply tap on the chat where you'll be connecting with your friends or colleagues. This is where all the fun and conversation will happen. Now, it's time to start the video call. Look for the video call icon, which usually looks like a little camera. Tapping this icon will initiate the video call and bring everyone into the live discussion. Once you're in the call, you might find that there are moments when you need to mute your video. This is super simple. Just tap the video icon again, and voila! Your live video will be muted, allowing you to participate without being seen. You can always unmute the video when you're ready to be back on screen. It's a great feature for those moments when you need to step away or just want to keep your video off for a bit. And that's it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to mute your live video during calls on Discord. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Happy chatting.